Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kita mulakan kelas kita pada petang ini dengan membaca Ummul Kitab Al-Fatihah. A'udzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin, arrahmanirrahim, maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wassalatu wassalamu ala sayidina Muhammadin asyrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin. Ya Allah ya Tuhan kami, ampunkanlah dosa-dosa kami, ampunkanlah dosa kedua ibu bapa kami dan kasihilah mereka sebagaimana mereka mengasihi kami di masa kecil. Ya Allah ya Tuhan kami, kurniakanlah kepada kami ilmu yang bermanfaat untuk diri kami, keluarga kami, agama kami, bangsa kami dan negara kami. Ya Allah ya Tuhan kami, berilah kepada kami kejayaan di dunia dan di akhirat. Ya Allah ya Tuhan kami, jadikanlah kami orang-orang yang bersyukur. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasanah wa fil akhirati hasanah wa qina azabannar. Walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Okay, so insyaAllah today we are going to discuss past semester question. Question from July 2023. I will share with you the question. Okay, can you see the question? We discuss question 1 insyaAllah. Okay. Roger Berhad acquired ordinary shares, preference shares, and debentures in Gold Berhad on 1st January 2021. On that date, the balance in general reserve and retained profit of Gold Berhad were 520,000 and 325,000 respectively. Okay, so on the date of acquisition, which is on 1st January 2021, okay, the company has two reserves. The first one is general reserve, 520,000, and the second one is the retained profit, that is 325,000. Okay, below are the statement of financial position of Roger Berhad and Gul Berhad as at 31st December 2022. Okay, we start with asset. So what are they having? Land and building. Okay, land and building. Secondly, we have plant and machinery at carrying value. We have motor vehicle at carrying value. Okay, and next we have investment in ordinary share, investment in preference share, and investment in debenture. Okay, so you can see the highlighted figures. Yeah, the figures highlighted with yellow color. Okay, the first one is investment in ordinary share. It comprises of 6,240,000 ordinary shares out of 7.8 million ordinary shares. Okay, so can you calculate what is the percentage? 6240 divided by 7800. It is 80%. Yeah, it is 80%. Secondly, we have 1,040,000 or 1.04 million 10% preference shares. Okay, out of 3.6 out of 2.6 million. Out of 2.6 million. So it is how many percent? It is 40%. Next is the acquisition of 10% debentures, 520,000. Okay, 520,000 out of 2.6 million. So it is how many percent? It is 20%. Okay. So ordinary 80%, preference 40%, and debenture is 20%. On top of that, the companies also have inventories, account receivables, bills receivables, and also banks. And then under the equity and liabilities, ordinary share capital, 10% preference share capital, general reserves, retained profit, 10% debentures, long-term liability, yeah, bill payable, and also account payable. Additional information, number 1, share capital and debentures of Gold Sendirian Berhad on the date of acquisition are as follows. Okay, so from additional information number 1, we know that the ordinary share is valued at 50 cents each. Valued at 50 cents each because the number of share is 7.8 million and the value is 3.9 million. And preference share is 1 ringgit, debenture also 1 ringgit. That is additional information number 1. Next, additional information number 2, on 1st January 2022, that is the current year. Yeah, the current year, first day of the current year. Remember, the acquisition is on 1st January 2021, last year. So this is the first day of the current year. Gold Sendirian Berhad purchased a machine with a carrying amount of 2,990,000 from Roger for 3,250,000. Okay, the carrying amount is 2,990,000, but the selling price, the selling price is 3,250,000. So how much is the difference? Can you calculate how much is the difference? The difference is 260,000. Yeah. So this 260,000 is actually the unrealized profit. Yeah, unrealized profit on disposal of machinery. Okay. On top of that, both companies' policy depreciate plant and machinery at 20% per annum on reducing balance method. Okay, on reducing balance method. So when we say on reducing balance method, it will be based on the carrying amount. So for the company, the depreciation is based on 2,990 times 20%, and for the purchaser, it is 3,250,000 times 20%. So there is a difference there. And the difference is actually over-provided depreciation. Okay, over-provided depreciation. Next, number 3, the bills payable of Gold Berhad were in favor of Roger Berhad. Roger has discounted 65,000 of the bills. Okay, we go through the bill payable of Gold. Bill payable of Gold is 520,000. Out of this amount, 65,000 has already been sold to discounting house. And what is the balance? What's the balance? And that balance is actually the intercompany balance. Okay, intercompany balance. Next, number 4, the non-controlling interest is measured at the proportion of the fair value of net asset of Gold on the date of acquisition. So, on the date of acquisition, we must identify what is the amount of fair value of net asset. So fair value of net asset here is comprising of ordinary share capital, 3.9 million, and then general reserve 520,000, retained profit 325,000. So from there we find the fair value of net asset of the subsidiary, and from there we multiply by the percentage of non-controlling interest, that is 20%. Number 5, during the year 2022, Roger Berhad invoiced inventories to Gold Sendirian Berhad. Okay. Invoice. Invoice means sell to Gold Sendirian Berhad at the profit margin of 40%. So the formula that is used by the group is profit margin. Yeah. Profit margin. At the end of the accounting year, 260,000 worth of these inventories remain in the closing inventory of Gold Sendirian Berhad. So out of the goods sold by Roger to Gold, there are a balance of 260,000 unsold goods. So from these unsold goods, we can calculate our unrealized profit. Therefore, the unrealized profit is 260,000 times 40%. Okay, 260,000 times 40%. Next, the directors of both companies have decided to declare preference dividend for the year ended 31st December 2022, but no records have been made by both of the companies. Okay, declare preference dividend. Let's look at the preference share. What is the percentage? Holding has how many shares? Subsidiary has how many shares? Okay, the percentage of preference share is 10%. Holding has 5.2 million preference share. Okay, 5.2 million preference share time 10% is 520,000. And the subsidiary has 2.6 million preference share time 10% is equal to 260,000. Okay, and out of 260,000 preference share dividend, okay, declared by the subsidiary, 40% belong to the holding, and it becomes an intercompany balance. Okay. And then number 7, debenture interest for both companies have not yet been provided. Yeah, debenture also 10%. So let's look at the number of debenture. The debenture is 2.6 million each times 10%. So it is 260,000 each. And out of 260,000 debenture interest, 20% will go to the holding company because holding company holds 20% debenture in subsidiary. Number 7, debenture interest. Okay. Number 8, goodwill on consolidation, if any, is impaired by 260,000. Okay. If let's say we calculate the goodwill and we get the goodwill will be impaired by 260,000 during the year. So what we are required to do? Prepare the consolidated statement of financial position of Roger Berhad and its subsidiary Gold Sendirian Berhad as at 31st December 2022. Show all workings. Alright. So what we are going to do? We are going to share the answer. But I believe before we share the answer, I will give you 5 minutes. I will give you 5 minutes to calculate the goodwill. Can you calculate the goodwill in 5 minutes? I give you 5 minutes to calculate the goodwill. All right. So please calculate. Okey, dah 5 minit. Mari kita tengok jawapan untuk goodwill ya. Ada yang dah siap? Okey, so first kita tengok dulu the calculation of percentage of holding. Percentage of holding for ordinary share is 80%, NCI is 20%, preferential capital 40%, NCI is 60%, and 10% debenture 20%, and others. 80% is others. Alright. Next is to calculate the goodwill. I believe that you have calculated and you get the answer correct. Okay, the consideration transferred. The calculation of goodwill is only involve ordinary share. Investment in ordinary share. It does not involve investment in preference share or investment in debenture. If we still want to calculate, then we have to calculate separately. So the calculation of goodwill for ordinary share, we start with consideration transferred, step 1. Okay. And then followed by the calculation for fair value of net asset of gold. Okay, that comprise of ordinary share on the date of acquisition, 3.9 million. Actually, the value is 3.9 million, and the number of share is 7.8 million. 7.8 million. The reserves existing on 1st January 2019, we have retained profit of 325,000, and we have general reserve of 520,000. So when we add the two together, we have 4,745,000 fair value of net asset. Okay, and from this amount, we are going to calculate our non-controlling interest here. Non-controlling interest is 20% times 4.745 million, and it equals to 949,000. 949,000 NCI. We add the consideration transferred, 6,760,000. We get 7,709,000 fair value of investment. So fair value of investment is 7,709,000, and the fair value of net asset is 4,745,000. We get a goodwill of 2,964,000. All right, because the fair value of investment is greater than the fair value of net asset of the subsidiary. Okay, and then because we have the goodwill, we get a goodwill, then there will be an impairment of 260,000. So after we deduct the impairment of 260,000, the balance of the goodwill is 2,704,000. All right. Any question? Next is to analyze. To analyze the financial statement. We want to know the balance of non-controlling interest. We want to know the balance of group retained profit, and we want to know the balance of group general reserve. Okay, so we start with calculating the NCI. So NCI comprises of NCI ordinary share at acquisition date that we have just calculated, 949,000. On top of that, we have NCI on preference share, Yeah, NCI on preference share is 60%. Yeah, 60% time 3.6 million time 2.6 million. Let me check how much number of preference share. 2.6 million. 2.6 million. Yeah. Okay. So the amount is 1,560,000. Next, we are going to analyze the retained profit of gold. Retained profit of gold. The balance carried down is 4,420,000. Yeah, from the question. Less pre-acquisition retained profit 325,000. Less preference dividend payable 260,000. Less debenture interest payable 260,000. And the balance is 3,575,000. Okay. So out of this 3,575,000, 20% will be allocated to the non-controlling interest. So 20% times 3,575,000 equal to 715,000. And 80% times 3,575,000 is equal to 2,860,000 for the group retained profit column. Next, retained profit of Roger. Roger is the holding company. The balance carried down from the question is 5.2 million. Less preference dividend payable. Preference dividend payable 5.2 million times 10% equal to 520,000. Less debenture interest payable 2.6 million times 10%. Add preference dividend receivable from the subsidiary. Okay, just now the subsidiary declare 260,000 preference dividend and 40% will be allocated to the holding Roger. Yeah, 40% times 260,000 is equal to 104,000. On top of that, Roger will also add the debenture interest receivable from the subsidiary, and the amount is 20%. 20% of the total. 20% of the total amount of debenture interest paid. Debenture interest paid is 260,000 times 20% equal to 52,000. And we have also unrealized profit on disposal of plant. Unrealized profit on disposal of plant is 260,000. That is the carrying amount 2990, and the sale value is 3250, and the difference is 260,000. And related to this unrealized profit is over provided depreciation. How do we get this 52,000? 52,000 is actually 260,000 times 20%. All right. And then we have to minus also the unrealized profit on sale of inventory. Just now the sale of inventory between the two companies. Okay. Roger sold goods to Gold, 260,000. Balance still in the store, 260,000 times 40%, it equals to 104,000. And don't forget about impairment of goodwill, 260,000. So there are many figures in the retained profit of Roger. And at the end, the balance of profit of Roger is 4,004,000, 4,004,000. Okay. And we bring this amount to the column, to the column of group retained profit. Next, we have general reserve of gold. General reserve of gold from the question, from the statement of financial position, the balance carried down of the reserve is 2.6 million. And the amount of general reserve on the date of acquisition is 520,000. Therefore, the balance is 2,080,000. Out of this amount, 416,000 belongs to the non-controlling interest. Yeah. And 1,664,000 belong to the group and regarded as group general reserve. Okay. And we have another one that is general reserve of Roger. The balance is 3.9 million. So at the end of the year, the total balance of non-controlling interest is 3,640,000. The balance of group retained profit 6,864,000. And the balance of group general reserve is 5,564,000. Okay. And last for the question is to show the statement of financial position of the group. Roger and his subsidiary Gold Srira Berhad consolidated statement of financial position as at 31st December 2022. We start with land and building. So for the land and building, we just add together the value for land and building for the two companies, for Roger and Gold. The plant and machinery, we add together also Roger and Gold, 8840 and 5925.4. But we have to minus the unrealized profit. Yeah, we minus unrealized profit 260,000. At the same time, we have to add back the over provided depreciation of 52,000. Okay, are you following? Then the third one is motor vehicle. Motor vehicle is, there is no adjustment for motor vehicle. So motor vehicle, we just added the motor vehicle of the two companies, 3042 and 2831.4. And lastly, for the non-current asset, we have goodwill of 2,704,000. Under the current asset, we have inventories of the two companies add together 1,560,000 plus 1,170,000, and we have to minus the unrealized profit on what? On inventory. Yeah, unrealized profit on inventory amounting to 104,000. And then we have account receivable. However, there is no adjustment for account receivable. And we have also bank balance 1924 plus 2556.2, but no adjustment. Okay, bill receivable, yes, we have an adjustment. What is the adjustment? The adjustment is we have to find what is the intercompany balances, because originally the amount is 520,000 and then 65,000 already sold to discounting house. That's why the answer is like this: 650,000 plus 390,000 minus, okay, the net of 520 minus 65. Okay, so 520 minus 65 is 455. 455. So we have two alternatives to show here, whether we want to put here in bracket minus 520 minus 65, or straight away we can put minus 455. Okay, just put 455. Next, okay, we have arrived at the total current asset here, plus all the non-current asset, we get the total asset of 43,277,000. Okay, under the equity side, we have ordinary share capital of holding only 13 million, preference share capital 5.2 million. Okay, group general reserve, group retained profit, and group and the other one is NCI, non-controlling interest. We just take the figure from the analysis of financial statement. We don't have to recalculate. Yeah, we can see from here the mark. The mark is given to the name. The mark is given to the name, not to the figures. Next, we have non-current liability. We have non-current liability, 10% debenture. So 10% debenture is combination of debenture of the holding company and debenture of the subsidiary company. Okay, but the debenture of the subsidiary, debenture of the subsidiary has been taken partly by the holding company. So we have to minus here 520. Okay, 2.6 million. 2.6 million minus 520,000. Is it 520? Okay, let me check first. Yes, 520. 520 million, thousand, yeah. Okay, so the balance is 4,680,000, and then current liability bill payable 780,000 plus 520,000 minus 455,000. 455,000. Okay. Next is account payable. Account payable, there is no adjustment. We just add together the holding and the subsidiary. Preferred dividend payable, Roger. Okay, preferred dividend payable, Roger, is 520,000. What about gold? Gold is 260,000 minus 104,000. What is this 104,000? This 104,000 is actually the amount of preferred dividend. The amount of preferred dividend paid to Roger. Yeah, paid to Roger. Next, debenture interest payable by Roger, 260,000. And debenture interest payable by gold, 260,000 minus 52,000. Okay, so that is all for this answer. For this particular question, we can answer within 50 minutes. Within 50 minutes, because the marks is 30 mark, time 1.8 is about 54 minutes, and you can allocate 50 minutes to calculate this or to answer this question. But we managed to answer within less than that minute, within less than 50 minutes. Okay, so maybe the question is a bit easy. However, okay, we can allocate about 50 minutes to answer this question. So I believe that this is all for today, for the question. Do you have any question to ask? Ada? Okay, sebelum kita berpisah, kita nak ambil attendance sekejap. Saya nak panggil nama. Aisyatul Mardiah ada?
Saya, sir.
Okay, Alia Umairah.
Saya, sir.
Amira Syazwani.
Saya, sir.
Okay, Anis Syamimi.
Saya, sir.
Okay, Akil.
Saya, sir. Saya.
Okay, Danisha.
Saya.
Ada. Okay. Fahris. Fahris. Tak ada?
Saya, sir.
Ada? Muhammad Farul Razi.
Ada.
Farul Razi. Ada? Farul Razi. Farul Razi 1. Farul Razi 2. Farul Razi 3. Tak ada. Muhammad Daniel.
Saya, sir.
Okay. Nabil.
Saya, doktor.
Okay. Nur Alisa.
Saya, sir.
Okay. Nur Izzati.
Saya, sir.
Okay. Nur Maisarah.
Saya, sir.
Nur Nadira.
Saya, sir.
Okay. Nur Dayana.
Saya, sir.
Muhammad Hazim.
Saya doktor.
Okey. Nur Ain Syazwani.
Saya doktor.
Okey. Siti Absah.
Saya sir.
Okey. Siti Nurhaliza. Siti Nurhaliza. Siti Nurhaliza. Tak ada. Okay, so thank you for coming. InsyaAllah kita jumpa lagi pada selepas waktu cuti. Dan selamat bercuti. Jangan lupa study. Okay, kita sudahi dengan surah Al-As. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Terima kasih
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you sir.
Welcome.